Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Fitbod and other fitness tracking apps with the new workout recommendation features on iPhone. If you're tired of guessing what to do at the gym, these apps build smart workouts for you. Step number 1, update the app. Go to the App Store and then search for Fitbod, and then update the app simply if there is an update button available. Next, open the Fitbod app, and to give you all a heads up, you need to be on recent version of iOS to use the new recommended features. Fitbod currently requires iOS 15 or later, and some advanced function like widgets, health kit sync, or AI features work best on the iOS build. If you are on an older iPhone that can't update, that app may run but won't show new features. So the app isn't limited to just a few countries, but the newest features, AI recommendations, require the latest iOS versions and sometimes roll out region by region. So if you guys do have all the wanted requirements, what you guys can do is open the Fitbod and create your profile. Enter your fitness level, available equipment, and goals like strength, endurance, or fat loss. This tells the app what kinds of workout to suggest. On the home screen, tap today's workout. Fitbod will recommend exercises based on your past training, recovery, and available gear. You'll see a full routine with sets, reps, and reset times, all personalized. Long each step by tapping this exercise and making it complete. The app learns your performance and updates feature recommendations automatically. You can also check your muscle recovery graph to see which muscles are fresh or fatigued. Next, add reminders. Go to settings, notification, and enable workout reminders. This keeps you consistent with your routine. Safety tip: always review from guides or video demos before trying a new exercise. AI suggestion cannot correct posture in real time. Quick fix: if recommendations don't show, log at least one work manually first. The app needs your history before it can generate smart plans. Subscribe for more quick fixes.